Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classiccars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today in front of me I have this beautiful, gorgeous 1967 Pontiac Firebird finished in this starlight black, red interior, 326 motor with a 4-speed transmission. Fun car, ready to go. Let's check it out a little bit closer. It's got an older set of headers on it, chrome valve covers as you can see, power steering, front power disc brakes, no overheating issues on this great running and driving 326. All right, paint looks really nice on the car, great reflection as you can see there. Upgraded wheels, American Racing I believe, nice set of tires all around. Look at this interior. It does pop on you. Beautiful bucket seats, factory console, Hurst 4-speed, excellent dash, glass, headliner, package tray, back seat with seat belts, excellent door panels as well. Look at this reflection on that paint. It is beautiful and ready to go. Now, the trunk is in really nice condition. The quarters on both sides have been replaced. So what they did was they cut the quarters from right here and replaced all of this sheet metal. And guys and gals, you have to admit they did a really nice job on both sides of the quarter panels. Dual exhaust, as you can see, all painted under the trunk as well. Nice glass, stainless steel trim is all nice. Door jambs, nice and crisp all around. Weather stripping looks great on the car. And again, passenger side door panel, door sill plates all look brand new on this little Firebird, and you can see the lights are working. Doors open and close perfect. Door handles nice and slick. Look at that reflection, guys. Really, really nice. Now the hood it's a brand new hood. It needs to be aligned, as you can see on both sides. It's not perfect, but any local body shop, I believe, would be able to align the hood for you guys. Look at this. Look how nice and crisp those door jambs are. Let's get this thing fired up. I want to take you guys for a spin. This thing does drive real nice. 4,380 miles on the odometer. Now, I was told that mileage reflects the restoration of the vehicle. Center console on the car looks brand new in the car. It's got some decals enclosed here and a little envelope inside if you wanted to add that. Pretty cool. Seat belts are brand new. Horn works, lights function, wipers work, turn signals left, right, everything functions, radio works, and the heat, defrost all functions on the car. Guys, gals, everything's functioning on this beautiful little Firebird. Power steering as well, excuse me. Wow, clutch feels great. Speedo functions and as well. The car sounds pretty good too, you have to admit. Wow, it handles real nice too. Brakes feel great. It shifts easy. Very easy shifting through the Hurst 4-speed. Really, really nice and smooth down the road. You hit the brake, the car doesn't pull left, it doesn't pull right. You won't find anything wrong there. All right, let's turn around here. That's 70 miles an hour, guys. Pretty darn quick. Car's got good throttle response. It downshifts excellent as well. We're going to head back here to MGM Classics, where we have over 100 classic cars in this brown building to your left. We own all the vehicles here at MGM. We do not consign. We put our money in great quality cars, and we go through them. We have two mechanics here on call in the shop at all times, full time. So I'm going to shut the car off. Let's talk about a couple more things. Let's talk about financing if it's needed. Now, if your credit score is between 600 and 739, your rates are between 5 and 7% with about 10% down. So if your credit score is between that criteria, please go to my website at mgmclassiccars.com and fill out the application. Someone will get back to you within 1 business day on your results there, okay? All approvals are based off your credit report and your income. If your credit score is 740 and higher, you possibly will need no money down for a loan. Rates are like 3.5 to 5% on a no money down option loan. So if your credit score is, and will go up to 84 months. So if your credit score is 740 or higher, okay, then you would go directly to my lender's website, fill it out, lightstream.com. But listen, before you do any applications, please shoot me a text message or something, email, call, whatever. Let's make sure this thing's still available. I don't want to run the credit for no reason. So keep that in mind. Also, if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, guys. My name's Thomas. Subscribe to MGM Classic Cars on YouTube. Click the red button on the bottom right of your screen when you get to that page. You got to see what I got coming tomorrow. Okay. Anyway, we're getting that one ready. So check that out as well. If you're watching on Facebook, like it, share it to your friends. You know, the investment of these cars are increasing every single day, guys. These are great tangible assets. I'm not here to convince you. Just look it up, okay? It's a fact. So have fun with your tangible asset. This is a beautiful 67 Firebird 326. Power steering, power disc brake, 4-speed, bucket seat, beautiful in, out, underneath. Check out those photos, guys. Over 100 photos on our website at mgmclassiccars.com. Great ratings, great customer service. We do have a great crew here at MGM and takes care of the cars and all of our customers. So anyway, if you need to get in touch with me, text me or call or email. My name's Thomas. I can be reached at area code 847-848-1850. Text message will get a quicker response. For those of you who do not text message, call, leave me a voicemail if I don't answer, because I'm constantly doing these videos and inspecting nice cars here at MGM for inventory, okay? So 847-848-1850, mgmclassiccars.com. My name's Thomas. Thank you.